Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very lovely prize for you guys to take part in. We have this Norton Commando 961 back in stock. This was previously won by Graham Davies on the 17th of May, but due to the riding position of the bike, wasn't quite suited to him, so we offered to buy it back off him. So this particular example is a 2016, it can be won on our website, classiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £2.99. Draw will take place on the 23rd of August, which is Sunday at 10 PM. So yeah, this particular example in lovely Manx Silver with the pinstripes. It's only got just under 5,200 miles on the clock. Just in very, very nice condition. Brembo brakes, got the Ohlins suspension. Yeah, quite a cool machine. So what we'll do now, we'll just start her up. It's all cold. I mean, it's not like the old bikes where, you know, I have to prove to you that they work. I mean, these are pretty good. You just press the button and away they go. Hopefully, anyway. There we are. Obviously need a little bit of warming up before we rev it. It's got nice alley rims, nice spokes. It's also got the carbon fibre mudguard on the front. Apparently it's a limited edition version. I think all of these apparently are limited edition, so I think they're quite liberal in using limited. So yeah, if you like what you see and you fancy a modern Norton Commando, then like I said, if you want on our website, 23rd of August, £2.99 a ticket. If you do enter, as always, thank you for your support and good luck.